Do you want to effectively teach an online lesson using the WhatsApp? There are essential things you must know in order for you to teach using the WhatsApp. Hello Creative Tribe, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Blessing Promise Jeremiah and I'm a teacher in an international school here in Rivers State, Nigeria. This channel is geared toward helping teachers and moms better educate their children using the 21st century curriculum strategies. So if you desire to creatively deliver the 21st century curriculum in a digital and organized way, consider subscribing and hit the notification bell below in order to be notified each time I upload a video. Teaching online can be technical, expensive, and challenging, especially in the area where there is poor network or low bandwidth. So this video is for teachers who are not tech savvy and for school owners who cannot fully implement online or remote learning. It is not because the school owners, especially the private schools, cannot afford data system to stay for a long period of learning time, but due to the poor network connection, cost of data, and inconsistent life supply for the various families of kids receiving this lesson. So I am going to take you through some steps you will need to effectively teach with WhatsApp during this lockdown. Step number 1, create WhatsApp group. To effectively teach using WhatsApp during this pandemic period, you need to create a whole class WhatsApp group. This is where general announcements and information can be shared. You need to lock these groups so as to avoid children or parents sending messages that are not really necessary. So after creating a whole WhatsApp group, you need to group the children based on their learning abilities or levels. You might decide to name these groups whatever name you like. For example, if you have a class of 30 children, you might desire to have 5 groups of 6 children or 6 groups of 5 children. Step number 2, teach the lesson. Introduce the lesson in a short video with these steps. Grade the children and remind them of the date since they are at home. Some of them might not remember the date. Write their names on a poster, maybe behind you, that the video can capture as you are talking. Or you might decide to call their names, their individual names, one at a time and greet them. Make a video of you teaching the real lesson and show them some examples. You might use examples from things around the house or maybe objects you can see around you. Create a lesson summary on a slide or 2, turning your PowerPoint into pictures and labeling each of them. Use the WhatsApp audio recorder to record explanation of each of those slides and then send it below the video. In case if they do not have any data to open the video, they can as well read up. Step number 3, assignment. Give them assignment on a worksheet, or if you have given them their textbooks, which I believe by now you must have done, just include the picture of the textbook and the page they are to complete. So encourage parents to take clear and bright pictures of the work that the children have done and let them send it to you privately or individually, because as they do that, they will also get individual feedback. But when they send it to the general group, you might not like to give an individual feedback on the general platform. So they need to send it individually to you. Note that every single paper must be labeled and dated. So you need to encourage the children to do that. Step number 4, grading assignments. You are going to grade the assignments following these sub-steps. Okay, to mark, you have to open up the WhatsApp page where you have the assignment, and then you click on the assignment and then zoom it. You have to zoom in to see the corrections you need to take. The wrong and the correct answers, you have to go through it and make sure you take note of all the mistakes. Having gone through, for this one there are no mistakes, so you zoom out for you to mark. When you are done zooming out, you will see like 3 lines by the right hand side. You click on it and then it will show you edit. You click on edit and then choose any color you like. you will see a pen here. The pen is blue. I don't like blue. I'm going to move down. As you're moving down the ink, you will see that it's changing. So I'm on red now. You can keep moving to see other colors. Okay, for now I'm going to take my red and then I'll start marking. Knowing that there are no errors here, I'm just going to, hold on, I'm going to mark all of them. Make sure that I finish marking. Now I'm done marking. The next thing I'm going to do is to encourage learners with inspiring text and emojis. You might go ahead and click on T. The T stands for text. So you can decide to type wow. And then I'll type my exclamation mark. Having done that, I'll just click and take my wow up like this. I can make it smaller. I might make it bigger. All depends on what you want. You can enlarge it. You can reduce it. For me, I'm going to change the color from red to say green. All right, you can see the text has changed color to green. I'm done using my text, my inspiring text. I'm also going to use my emoji. So you click on the smiley face here. Then by the right hand side, you see stickers. And then you have to leave that one and click on emojis. So here are some beautiful emojis. You might decide to take anyone you like. But for me, I'm just going down. I'll just take this one that shows a lovely smile, a lovely face with heart shapes. Okay, I'm going to put it here. Just like I did with the text. If you want to enlarge it, you can enlarge it. If you want to expand it, you can as well expand it. All depends on what you want. You can play around with it. So having done this, I'm now going to type the needed correction. I'm going to encourage parents to supervise the corrections, since there are no corrections here except that the learner did not write the date. I'll just type well done. Well done. I'll put my exclamation mark, and then I'll also write please date your work next time, because I like them. I always like the children to write their dates in order for them to keep record of the day the task was given to them. All right, so I'm done doing this now. I'm going to send it to the parents. I'll just click on send. You need to encourage parents to supervise the children's work, because if they don't supervise it, the children might not really know whether the work, the mistakes they made the other time or the previous one, it has been taken note of. So they need to supervise and encourage the children, even correct them. So having done this, I've sent it to the parents. They will have it. That's how to mark.
Step number 5, track assignment. If you want children to take seriously their remote or online learning, you need to take note of those that turned in their assignment by using the assignment tracker I created, and I leave the link at the description of this video, so you do well and print it off and use. Also leave a review of the material. This will help me know whether it is useful to you or not. Some of the benefits of teaching using the WhatsApp platform includes the use of micro-learning approach, where lessons are between 5 to 10 minutes or even less. This method is so flexible in that children can access their learning at any time of the day, especially children whose parents are on essential duties that cannot be around during the day. Whenever they come back, the children will be able to use their phones, especially children who are in lower primary level. It is also beneficial for parents who have many children to attend to during this period, so they can do that, taking their time and attending to their children one at a time. Note, you should save the assignment on Google Photos in case if you lose your phone, so that you will not lose the task the children submitted to you. I hope that makes sense. If you want to see how I plan a WhatsApp lesson, also leave me a comment and I'll be sure to make a video on that. If you're having a challenge getting your children to read at age 3+, check out my video on teaching reading. And if you are looking for a way to get your children meaningfully engaged during this lockdown period, also check my other video on that. I hope this video is helpful. I make videos on organization, creativity, and 21st century instruction strategies. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video with your loved ones, and hit the notification icon to be notified each time I upload a video. I am Blessing Promise Jeremiah, and I'm the content creator behind Classical Creativity YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!